Throughout this course, we've covered a lot of ground, from what the Power Commander 6 is and how to install it, to tuning and maintenance. Naturally, questions come up. So let's tackle some of the most common ones we hear from riders and drivers and provide detailed answers for them. So first up, will installing a Power Commander 6 void my warranty? This is actually a big concern and is one of those pillars that the PC6 stands on for those who are especially warranty conscious. The PC6 is a bolt-on device that can be removed, leaving no permanent trace. However, manufacturers' warranty policies vary, and some dealers are fine with piggyback devices. Others may argue that any performance modification can affect your coverage. The safest course is to read your warranty and speak with your dealer. Your warranty is only as good as your dealer is. If you're worried, remove the PC6 before performing any warranty work. Keep in mind that in regions with strict emissions laws, a PC6 might attract attention during those inspections. Next up, do I need dyno tuning? For minor bolt-ons like slip-on, exhaust, or a drop-in air filter, a pre-configured map will likely get you 90% of the way there. However, if you've changed several components like full exhaust intake cams and beyond that, a dyno tune or an auto-tune session is strongly recommended. Dyno tuning measures performance under controlled conditions, allowing precise adjustment. It can also reveal issues like clutch slip, misfires, or other mechanical deficiencies. Autotune is a great alternative if a dyno isn't available, and it refines your map while you ride. Skipping proper tuning risks running rich or lean, which can harm the engine or leave performance on the table. Next question, can I run the Power Commander 6 without sending a map? The answer to that is yes. When you first plug in a brand new Power Commander 6, it does have a base map from Dynojet where applicable. And then you still have the freedom to adjust fuel and spark up and down within those bounds. It's not mandatory to jump onto a website or get a custom tune file sent from someone, as that off-the-shelf delivered Power Commander 6 is for your stock machine. Next, will the Power Commander 6 work with a stock exhaust and intake? Absolutely. Yes, you'll see performance gains, but gains will be modest because the factory ECU is already tuned for that stock setup. In some cases, you can improve throttle response or smooth out drivability, especially if you ride in extreme conditions like high elevation. Just be realistic about the benefits. The biggest improvements come when you pair the PC6 with a freer flowing exhaust or intake or other modifications. Next, does the Power Commander 6 automatically adjust its map for changes in elevation or weather? Not directly, but your ECU does. It relies on the bike's stock sensors. The ECU uses a barometric pressure sensor or manifold pressure sensor to adjust fueling for air pressure. The Power Commander 6 map sits on top of that. So if your base map is good at sea level, the ECU will lean out slightly as you climb in elevation, and the Power Commander 6 will still apply the same percentage of corrections on top of that changed mapping. If you ride in wildly differential conditions, consider creating separate maps or using Autotune to refine fueling on the fly. Next up, is the Power Commander 6 supported on my vehicle? Dynojet supports a wide and vast range of bikes, ATVs, UTVs, and more. A new tune are added regularly for each. Visit Dynojet.com or contact Dynojet support team to see if your model is covered. If it's a brand new vehicle, it may take us a little time to build that Power Commander 6 for that new application. In some cases, the Power Vision or another tuning product might be an option for your vehicle from Dynojet. Always choose the right tool for use on your machine. Next up, is using a Power Commander 6 safe for my engine? When used properly, absolutely. With a suitable base map and within its adjustment range, the Power Commander 6 is perfectly safe. It doesn't aim to push your engine beyond the stock ECU limits, it just nudges fueling and timing systematically through your iterative changes to refine your calibration. The key is to avoid drastic adjustments and monitor AFR if tuning. If you plan radical changes like forced induction, contact a professional and consider a more comprehensive setup with our accessories to monitor the system as you ride. Next, how do I return my vehicle to stock? Simply unplug the Power Commander 6 connectors and plug the stock stuff back in. Remove the Velcro or dual lock and reinstall all the removed body panels, or like the airbox or fuel tank. Since the Power Commander 6 doesn't touch any of the ECU operation, once it's removed, your machine is stock again. Answering these questions should clear up any lingering uncertainties. If you have more, check out Dynojet support pages or speak to a certified tuner. Information is power, and in this case, it's peace of mind for you.